most people never know this, but I'm going to tell them now. That space was designed by a comedian for comedians. It was designed with that in mind, nothing else. That was the prerequisite. It's going to be the perfect space to perform in.
Yeah. Because there's a lot of venues that exist now where people can perform, but it's not necessarily curated, tailored with that thing in mind. And so I want you also to, if you can, tell the audience, what are some of the things that made that space so unique? Even like talking about the sound and stuff like that.
My bro. So it was set up in a certain, there's not a pillar inside. The sight lines had to be absolutely perfect. The stage had to be at a certain height. The room had to be very warm and welcoming. The lighting was impeccable. It was designed to make you as comfortable as possible. And then the hardest thing to get right was the sound. The dispersion of a normal speaker system is like 40 degrees, give and take a bit. So we had used many different, or tested many systems in the space. Eventually we found an Italian company called FPT. They do a long throw speaker, which is a much smaller dispersion, but it gets further. You had to position it perfectly over the audience ears, and if they're all sitting down, it all comes into the same space. And it was very scientifically worked out. I had a ninja help me, a guy called Mr. Ian Florence, who is a big sound techie, one of the best in the country, I think. And he helped me put that together.